multi-block elements, boron family, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, and deuterium. In this boron family, boron is only a non-metal, and remaining all are in semi-metals. In this boron, aluminum, indium, thallium, these are present in solid, and gallium is only in liquid form, and this is made artificially. In this atomic radius, atomic mass, atomic number increases due to the shell increase and the electron increase in outermost shell. Melting point, boiling point, electronegativity, ionization enthalpy decreases from top to the bottom. How the when the shells are increased, the nuclear charge get decreased because the handling electrons get weakened. This is about group number 13. Now group number 14, carbon family. In this carbon and silicon, they are present in they are non-metals, and remaining are all semi-metals. In this all are solid, and this is artificially formed. In this we can see that in this also same atomic radius, mass number, atomic ionization enthalpy, sorry, atomic number decreases from top to bottom, and in this decreasing of melting point, boiling point, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity decreases from top to bottom, and this is in group number 14. Now group 15, it is also group number 15, nitrogen family. In this we can see nitrogen is present in gaseous state. So whenever we take nitrogen, we take N2. Remaining this phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth present in solid. This is artificially made. N, P and As, they are non-metals, and remaining 3 are semi-metals. Again, in this also we can see increase of atomic number, mass, again atomic weight decreases due to shell increase, and decrease of ionization enthalpy, electronegativity decrease in these shells, and from top to bottom. Now group number 16, it is also known as chalcogen series. Oxygen is present in gaseous state, because whenever we take oxygen, we taking O2 doesn't take single oxygen, because the reaction may get changed, and remaining sulfur, silicon, tellurium and polonium present in solid, they are solid, and this is artificially made. From O2, tellurium, they are in non-metals, and these remaining 2 are semi-metals. In this, selenium and polonium are octa elements, which they are taken Sp8 and PO8 for the while reaction, and same atomic mass, atomic number, atomic radius increase from top to bottom, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity decreases from top to the bottom. Now group number 17, this is also known as halogen group, which is represented by X. Fluorine, chlorine, and they are in gaseous states. Same reason, bromine is only in liquid, remaining these 2 are in solid state, and full series is in non-metal, and remaining only semi-metal, and same properties, atomic radius, mass, atomic number increases from top to bottom due to increasing number of shells, and decrease of ionization enthalpy, electronegativity and melting point and boiling point from up to non. These all elements are in complete state. They are known as transitive metals, and this whole block is known as representative, because they represent each and everything, like reacting with each other, and for like changing in melting point, boiling point, and each show different metal. In this group we can see all as same colors, means like transitive metals, and in this we can see metal, non-metal, reactive,